Hey guys, this is Jake. Welcome to the weekly wrap-up. Starting with our Paracord Planet news, we have new bracelet hooks available at paracordplanet.com. We also released a YouTube video outlining how to use those in your bracelets. There are a few different styles, so make sure you go check those out at paracordplanet.com if you're interested. We also released a barbed wire bracelet tutorial, which uses a fishtail design woven in with micro paracord. So if you're into using the smaller diameter paracord, that might be perfect for your next project. And speaking of our videos, we have a new YouTube coupon code available for our viewers. That can be found in the description of this video. It's coupon code YouTube, and that can be used at our site for 15% off your first order. Our blog post this week was all about monkey fists. We outlined different materials you can use to make monkey fists, as well as provide examples of how to use them. Our Cord Madness tournament wrapped up this week. That was a March Madness style showdown between colors, and the winner was Midnight Blue. Congratulations, Midnight Blue. I'm a little bitter you beat Black Widow, because that was my pick. But thank you very much to everyone who voted, as well as everyone who participated in our giveaway. Our Paracord Highlight from the week comes from Twitter user Ashley R. Villers, who tagged us in an image. She used paracord to stop the trunk of her car from hitting the roof of her garage. That was super innovative. You can check out that image as well as give her a follow on Twitter. Our Paracord Spotlight this week is on Instagram user Tree Weaves. They make custom-made canopies out of paracord. They use Midnight Blue, which was our Cord Madness winner, in one of their nets. Personally, I think they should do a Black Widow one because, you know, spiders and nets and everything, but to each their own. They can be found on Instagram as well as at their website, treeweaves.com. So now to what we wrapped this week. We did this stethoscope in Love Spell and Neptune. Ended up real pretty. Very excited about it. Next week, we are going to wrap this glass bottle that we found in the warehouse. See you next week. I think that's funny. It's just like slowly shifts down.